12 o'clock. My hitcher is out there next to the sling loads if you just drop it just to the east of those loads. Additionally, we have another sling load landing up to 350 pounds daisy chain with hazmat on the bottom. Your winds are going to be out of the southwest, 5 to 10. No aerial hazards. Clear to come in.
Okay, copy that, and I'm gonna, just so you know, I'm gonna drop this load and then head down for some fuel.
Yeah, go for Sling Site 1.
Helicopter 525 has some cargo coming your way.
Okay, copy that. I have my hitcher in place next to the cargo. You can go ahead and land it right there. Additionally, there are no aerial hazards. The winds are 2 to 7 coming from the southeast. And break. Additionally, you're going to have another load daisy chained with hazmat going to Sling Site 2.
Copy that, and daisy chain with hazmat, 525.
And weight will be 530.
530, thanks.
You're about 150 feet.
And the hitcher's in sight.
100 feet. 50 feet. 20 feet. 10 feet. Harvard on the ground. Swivel is on the ground. Hook is on the ground. I'm sending in my hitcher.
Hey, Sling Site 1, is it am I picking up the closest load nearest you?
No, not the closest load near me, the other one.
Yeah, 525, man. southeast. 50 feet. They're clear out.